President Donald Trump says he is raising the worldwide tariffs on goods entering the United States from 10 to 15%. It comes a day after the US Supreme Court deemed his global tariffs illegal. EU leaders say they are analysing Friday's ruling and are in close contact with the US administration and have yet to make a decision on their next steps.
President Trump's fury at yesterday's Supreme Court ruling has taken another twist. In an effort to preserve his trade agenda, he's announced another global tariff hike. Posting on Truth Social, he said worldwide duties will rise to 15%, effective immediately, repeating his claim that countries have been ripping the US off for decades. The court's finding that the president exceeded his authority is a stunning rebuke and has halted a key economic and geopolitical tool of the administration. The president believes the import taxes will reduce the US trade deficit, boost coffers and revive domestic manufacturing. But longtime critics of the tariffs who welcomed the ruling blame them for a rupturing of alliances and a spike in prices at home.
For Donald Trump's speech to mention tariffs and not mention the costs they impose on American families shows that he is totally in a bubble.
The hike appears to be an attempt to circumvent the court's decision, but the new duty is legally only allowed for 150 days at a maximum 15%. And there are demands for refunds for US farms and businesses that were subjected to the import levies, totaling about $175 billion, which could end up in multiple court cases. Major US trading partners in Asia and Europe are examining the fallout. Germany's Chancellor Merz said he believes the tariff burden on the EU will ease and urged member states to coordinate a common position before engaging with Washington. His French counterpart said a calm mindset was needed.
We will look exactly at the consequences, what can be done, and we will adapt. Ultimately, what do we want? I think we should aim for an approach of easing tensions internationally and continue modernising our economy.
For Ireland, the ruling signals that Trump's trade war is far from over. As an EU member, we were hit with a 15% levy, with opt-outs for some sectors. But the Supreme Court's decision once again brings a cloud of uncertainty over the economy in its relationship with one of its most important export markets. David Landy, RTE News.